Hey guys, welcome back to Firewall Stocks Now, where we get you the most booming, banging, and the most profitable stocks on the market. If you haven't yet subscribe down below. Hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. And today's stock we're gonna be talking about ticker symbol FCEL, FuelCell Energy. This Monday, FuelCell has been up 10.33% at a market price of $18.69. Although there's still a whole lot of volatility going down, with prices differing between $7.50 and $18. This day has been a pretty green day, I could say. For those of you that don't know what FuelCell does, FuelCell designs, manufactures, sells, installs, operates, and services fuel cell products, which efficiently convert chemical energy into fuels into electricity through a series of chemical reactions. So guys, like I said, shares of FuelCell Energy jumped to a 10.33% to 18.69 today on Monday on what proved to be an all-round great trading session for the stock market, with the Nasdaq Composite Index at 3.01%. Unlike most stocks on the market, FuelCell performed pretty well today during its opening hours of the stock, guys. So yeah, like most of you know, last week was a pretty bloody Mary, a bad week. It's been a red week last week, but like I said, unlike most stock, FuelCell did pretty well today. With its coming from almost $16 last week to $18.69. So guys, most of you have the stock in your portfolio. For the guys that are still being bullish on the stock, guys, I would suggest I'm buying. So I don't know, I'm not your financial advisor, but if you guys do your own research, you're gonna see that this stock is just going into its correction phase, guys. So I would say go do your research and then buy the stock. That was one quick update of ticker symbol FCEL. Now I want to take a look at ticker symbol PLTR, Palantir Technology. Like I said, last week was a pretty volatile week, but Palantir Technologies bounced back 4.5% this morning Monday. Yo, this is putting Palantir back in their first gain in the last 6 sessions. The stock had tumbled 17.6% last week, the worst weekly performance since the data integration and software company went public in September 2020. If the stock closes higher, it would be just the second gain in the past 13 sessions. Prior to the recent weakness, the stock rocketed nearly fourfold, up to 285% from end of October to its highest close of $39 on January 27. Helping fuel the sell-off over the last couple weeks was the expiration of post-IPO lock period and disclosures of insider trades, in which the insider chose to sell all the shares they acquired at $0 per share through the conversion of derivative securities. The stock has now lost 2.7% over the past 3 months, while the S&P 500 SPX gained 6.1%. So this is an article of the Market Watch, and now this is some pretty big news. Last week Friday, 2 of our Cathie Wood ARK's ETFs bought over 3 million shares of Palantir Technologies. It has been battered by poor earnings and the tech sell-off. However, it has been a long-term holding of ARK Invest ETFs, and Wood has spoken well of its management. So guys, basically Cathie Wood bought 3,365,000 shares. It added all this to its portfolio. So you can see that this stock people ain't playing around with this stock. So if you also want to buy it, I'm looking at a price point of around $23.70 at its lowest, and highest this $24 trade, $24.80 trade. So guys, this was the update for PLTR. If you guys like the update, tell me which stocks you guys want to hear about. If you guys loved it, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe, guys. Thank you, and let's make this year booming, banging, and more profitable.